Hello Giddy buddies. So today I am here on the DMC Road. So let me show you in this short video how you can take a shortcut from here if you are going to Jalandhar bypass. So we'll head towards Hambra Road. If you go straight from here, from this chonk, from here if you turn right, there is DMC Hospital, and we are going straight from here. And as you go from here, there is Lions Club on the right hand side, and as we go forward from here, you will find cake shop and many more shops, also some fast food shops. Let me show you. So a small market here, you can get cake. There is also a retailer also, one of cake shop, one ICICI bank also here, some fruit also. If you have to buy some fruits, some juice also, you can buy many shops here, some medical shops also. And as we proceed here on this road, we will find some hospitals also. The first one is Mittal Hospital on the left hand side, and the next one is Pindra Dental Clinic and Eye Hospital also, Tamni Eye Hospital, very old hospital, and they have very good facilities, cataract, etc. They do a lot of operations and treatments over here. And in the front you can see now this is Hebbawal Chowk on the right hand side. As we turn here right, so we'll see Hebbawal Chowk. So we are at the traffic signal here. 59 seconds we have to wait. So this is basically a T point. We have come from the DMC Road, and this is Hambra Road. If you go right, and you will just head towards Old Ludhiana, and you will be going towards Clock Tower and Mata Rani Chowk, and towards left you will go towards Hambra Road. It's a very long one. And if you go straight, then you will reach, maybe I guess there are 1-2 turns, and you can reach South City. So 15 seconds pending. Car is, the ignition is on. So let's get moving. 3, 2, 1, and here we are. The lady in the black Creta has just jumped red signal. So this is Hebbawal Chowk, sorry, this is Hebbawal Chowk, and we have taken left turn from here. We have turned left turn, and from here this is called Buddha Nala. This is a small canal where all the industrial pollution, all the industrial waste is being dumped, and this Buddha Nala leads to Sutlej, and Sutlej takes all that garbage, all that dirty water, chemicals to the delta located in the Pakistan. So this is the shortcut if you want to, just don't want to go through the traffic of the Ludhiana. And from here it will be all straight from here to the main road, heading towards from Clock Tower to Jalandhar bypass Chowk. This is a very good shortcut if you want to just avoid the traffic. Wow, I guess this is some kind of factory. No, this is Dhobi Ghat. Many clothes come here for washing. this road looks very clean now, until and unless you watch inside the canal. They have covered a lot of the part of this canal with this fencing, very high fencing now. And the canal is pretty clean. Earlier there were so many plastics, poly bags floating in the canal, but now that looks pretty clean. Water is still black color. So we'll go straight from here, Punjab.The. And if you want to fill up, there is a pump also on the left hand side. You have to just go to the left hand side. It's not on this road, I guess. No shops, thank God, no shops here, because if there were shops here, then that would be difficult. The traffic would be increasing, there would be people parking on this road, and then that would be shortcut, not anymore. Oh, I forgot, this is the petrol pump here. This is on the same road. My God, my mistake, I forgot. Because I never filled my transport gas tank here. And by the way, if you are watching for the first time, what is transport? I call my two-wheeler or four-wheeler a transport. I don't want to call by its name or by any other thing. Don't want to disclose which car or which two-wheeler I ride. So it's a pretty good option to speak, to just say about it as a transport. I have taken this example or this idea from Star Wars movies, in that they don't call their ship a spaceship or ship or any other thing, but they call it transport. So I hope you are liking the video. If you are enjoying, then please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and we'll just carry on the video. I'm not ending the video here. So in front you can see the railway crossing. That bridge is railway crossing, and if you turn left from here, this is the main market. That is I guess the road is Malli Road. There is some resort also, Malli Resorts, and this is the railway track above us, all made from steel beams, very big steel beams. And this is a, I don't know what they call it, that is meant to just stop some height vehicles from hitting the beams. Now here we are having some shops on the left side, so that creates sometimes parking spots on the road, and because of that there is sometimes some traffic jam here. You can observe the cleaning that has just been done on the canal. You can observe the black water. I guess you're not able to see from this shot, so let me tell you what I'm observing from my own eye. And as we are proceeding ahead, so there is Kabristan on the left hand side. What is Kabristan? Please comment below, because I forgot. So we are about to reach on the main road. From here we'll take a left turn. Here there is mostly slow traffic because it's a junction, T-point. People are coming from forward also, and here we are already having a lot. And you can see Hotel Grand Luck and a church on the left hand side. The temple of God, Parameshwar Ghar. And from here, take a right turn and a left turn. Refreshing sugarcane juice always available on this turn if you like to have one. So this is the main road. This is Clock Tower Jalandhar Bypass Road. I don't find any name of this road, so I call it Clock Tower Road or Jalandhar Bypass Clock Tower Road. So that was a good shortcut. If you want to follow it, it's your choice. You will save some time and save some fuel and a lot of traffic also. So I hope you liked the video. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye bye.